Dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question. The question is taken from class 10, chapter 10, circles. Example number 2. The two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. So in figure we have a circle given with center O and T is an external point. It is outside the circle and two tangents are drawn from this point T, that is TP and TQ are these two tangents. The question is, prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 of angle OPQ. We have to prove that angle PTQ, this is angle PTQ, this is PTQ, that is double of angle OPQ, this angle. So we need to prove that this T angle is double of angle this P, OPQ. So this thing we have to prove. So before solving this question, we should know the two theorems of the chapter circles. First theorem is tangent from external points to a circle are equal. It means TP should be equal to TQ because tangent from external points are equal. So TP is equal to TQ. So it becomes an isosceles triangle. TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this angle will also be equal to this angle because in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So if TP is equal to TQ, then this angle is equal to this angle will be there. Now second theorem is tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means the angle between a tangent and radius at the point of contact is 90 degree. It means this angle OPT is 90. This full angle is 90 degree. These are two theorems. First theorem is TP is equal to TQ, means tangent from external points are equal. Second theorem is that tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means this full angle is 90 degree. If I assume this angle as X, okay, so automatically this full angle is 90. Okay, so angle TPQ, this small angle will be 90 minus X. Why? Because the sum of these two angles is 90. So this is X assumed. So it will be left 90 minus X. And as I told you that this angle is equal to this angle because angles opposite to equal sides are equal, TP is equal to TQ. So this angle will also be 90 minus X. Now if you apply angle sum property in triangle TQP, TQ mein if you apply angle sum property, you will get this angle T as 2x. And automatically this is X, then this is 2x. It means angle T is double of angle OPQ. This way we will solve this question. Just so simple. It is X, then it is 90 minus X because this complete angle is 90. So this is X, it is 90 minus X. And similarly, this is also 90 minus X because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So it is also 90 minus X. So if you apply angle sum property in triangle TPQ, you will get this angle as 2x and it is proved now. This is double of angle this. So this way we'll write now. So it's written here. Since tangent from external points are equal, so TP is equal to TQ. So angle TPQ is equal to TQP. These both angles are equal because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now since tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, so this complete angle is 90 degree. So it means OPT angle is 90 degree. If I assume this angle as X, then this will be 90 minus X. Okay, so this is also 90 minus X because both are equal. So now I have applied angle sum property in triangle TPQ. So all three angles sum is 180. So angle T plus TPQ is 90 minus X. This is also 90 minus X is equal to 180. If I take all these to the left hand side, right hand side, so otherwise this is 180 can be cancelled with 180. So angle T is 2x, minus x is minus 2x. So this side it will go, it becomes 2x. So this is double of this angle. So we can prove like this way. Thanks for watching.